Okay, we need to go way left before the current catches us. Can you feel the current dragging us, sliding to the right a little bit? And again, you can see all the different turbulence. So when we go through the bridge, this bridge with the faster tidal current, the boat will wiggle. It'll get a little finicky. And there you can see the lighthouse out there on the island.
Yes.
Red top, black and white diagonal stripes.
Yeah. Have you spent much time in St. Augustine?
We come through here all the time.
Do you spend time in the town and looking around and everything?
We usually stay at Comanche, and to go to town you need a cab or an Uber.
Oh, yeah.
We usually get in late, we're tired, so we eat dinner and go to sleep.
Yeah.
This is the south 65-foot bridge in St. Augustine, south of the city of St. Augustine. And we're going over there tomorrow to Oasis Boatyard to haul the boat out and have the bottom painted and some other maintenance items taken care of. You can see this bridge right here is 64, 65, 66 feet of air clearance, which is wonderful. It also proves that we're at near high tide. And here you can see that green marker. Actually, this side of it is missing, but the other side is a square top, flat top, leading us to believe it's green. And there's the red marker. That's the channel that we will enter tomorrow to go into Oyster Creek. We will go all the way down to that big warehouse, then we'll turn right and go all the way over to that big warehouse where the masts are, and then we'll turn left and go to Oasis Boatyard. Ahead of us you can see more boats in the anchorage, and that bridge right there is the Bridge of Lions, downtown St. Augustine, Florida.